Saldanha Bay is a natural harbour on the southwestern coast of South Africa, about 105 kilometres northwest of Cape Town. The town that developed on the northern shore of the bay, also called Saldana, was incorporated with 5 other towns into the Saldanha Bay Local Municipality in 2000. The current population of the municipality is estimated at 72,000. The place is mentioned in the first edition of John Locke's 2 Treatises of Government as an example of the state of nature. Saldanha Bay's location makes it a paradise for the watersport enthusiast, and its local economy being strongly dependent on fishing, mussels, seafood processing, the steel industry and the harbour. Furthermore, its sheltered harbour plays an important part in the Saldana iron ore project, at which Saldana Steel takes centre stage. With strong historic military links, Saldana is also host to a naval training base and the South African Military Academy. The Saldanha Nature Reserve offers a display of wildflowers during late winter and spring, while southern right whales also visit the waters in and around the nature reserve. The area has a Mediterranean climate, but the annual rainfall is quite low. It verges on the desert region of Namaqualand. Saldanha Bay is named after Antonio de Saldana, captain of a vessel in Albuquerque's fleet which visited South Africa in 1503. The name was first given to Table Bay, where Saldana's ship cast anchor, on Table Bay being given its present name in 1601. The older appellation was transferred to the bay now called after Saldana. In 1781, a British squadron under Commodore George Johnston seized 6 Dutch East Indiamen, which, fearing an attack on Cape Town, had taken refuge in Saldanha Bay. This was the only achievement, so far as South Africa was concerned, of the expedition dispatched to seize Cape Town during the War of 1781 to 1783. Diplomat Edmund Roberts visited the bay in 1833. He noted that it was well sheltered from violent winds, having a sufficient depth of water, but the country is very sandy and agriculture but little attended to. A few cattle and sheep are raised among the scanty herbage. Quote, he suggested that it was an uneventful area to visit, except for a few areas in the bay where whales resided during his visit. Saldanha Bay is also home to numerous fish canneries. The most notable of these is the Saldanha Bay Canning Company, founded by James Kastner and Ellis Silverman in 1905. The port developed into a modern harbour only recently, when it became necessary to facilitate the export of iron ore from the Northern Cape. This required the construction of a railway more than 800 kilometres to the mines at Sishen in the Northern Cape, and the construction of a deep-water jetty in Saldanha Bay to accommodate Cape-size or carrier ships.